Hello guys again. Yeah, I just want to say sorry about my first video, the 20th of November. It was my first video and you couldn't hear me. I had my earphones on, so you couldn't hear anything that I was saying. But yeah, it's nothing really. It's nothing important. What I was saying is literally just me sitting in my room. It was nothing too important to worry. You know, I literally am just sat here, just literally bored and yeah, just passing the time in the lockdown. It's giving me a chance to focus on myself, you know, work on myself. I'm about to make some lunch in a minute. I'm about to go downstairs, make a simple little lunch, some bread, some soup or something. I don't know what to make, but I'm getting a bit hungry now. I've been up for a few hours now, uploading videos. I've got a few videos uploaded before this, so yeah, so check out my channel. I've got a few. I'm going to upload some more as well. If you're interested, it's just me literally just talking. So the one you couldn't hear me on, saying I don't think, you know, you didn't miss out on anything much. I wasn't saying anything very important really. It's just my life. It's a boring life really, because I'm just sitting here. Yeah, so that's it. You might have just stumbled across this video on a random thing. Well, it's me, you know. Yeah, hopefully you can benefit from it in some way. It's going to benefit your life. It's going to enrich your life. You know, my experience is I'm 32 years old, so I've obviously been through quite a bit, seen quite a little bit. I don't know everything. I don't claim to know everything, but you know, I know a few things. You know, seen a few things in my time, so maybe you can see that sort of through me. So take it easy. Have a nice day. Take care. Be careful. And hopefully be looking to upload and make some more videos again in the near future. I've got to worry. I don't know how much space I've got on my phone, you see. So once I've uploaded them onto YouTube, what I'll have to do is go back, delete them off my phone, and then make new ones again, like later tomorrow or tonight or something like that. Anyway, yeah, nice one. Take care, and yeah, enjoy, and I shall see you again.